Welcome to the world where nature meets creativity, where everywhere pine cones become a little piece of Christmas magic. Today I'm going to share amazing pinecone Black Friday deals, some beautiful Christmas decoration ideas, and heartwarming story that will fill your home and your heart with joy. Stay tuned with us till the end. Before the Christmas rush begins, it's the perfect time to grab some Black Friday deals on pinecones decor and craft supplies. This year, stores and online shops are offering huge discount on Pinecone Wreath Kit, 50% off on DIY bundles, second Pinecone cinnamon and vanilla fragrance that make your home smell like Christmas, LED Pinecone garland perfect for your fireplace, staircase or Christmas tree, painted metallic pinecones, gold and silver and frosty white or luxury touch. Check your favorite store like Amazon, Mitchell's or Etsy for early Black Friday sale. You can save big while preparing creative DIY gifts and decoration for your loved ones. Because Christmas is not about spending lots of money, it's about adding love and creativity to small simple things. Let's dive into some easy and aesthetic pinecone decoration ideas you can make right at home. Collect big pinecones, paint their tips white or snow effects, and stack them in a cone shape. Add mini lights and stars, simple yet stunning. Take a wooden tray, add some candles, dry leaves, and golden painted pine cones. It gives a warm, cozy, rustic charm to your dining table. Use ribbons or jute rope to hang pine cones on your tree or windows. You can also glue teeny bells or beads for a festive sparkle. Place small tea lights candle inside large pine cones. The natural wood texture look magical when the candlelight glow through. Tie a string of pine cones together with fairy lights or dried oranges for a natural and vintage look. Fill a glass jar with pine cones, fairy lights, and fake snow. It's become a glowing winter wonderland in any corner of your room. Each of these crafts remind us that beauty does not always come from new things, it often comes from what nature already gives you. Once upon a snowy decoration, so I'm telling you a story. Once upon a snowy December night in a little mountain village, there lived a young girl named Emma. Her family was poor and they could not afford fancy Christmas decoration or gifts. But Emma loved Christmas more than anything. Every year she would go into forest and collect pine cones. She painted them with old leftover colors and added sparkle made from crushed eggshells. That year, the village held a Christmas decoration contest. Emma wished to join, but she had no money for glitter or ribbons. Still she smiled and said, "I have to forest and my heart. That's enough." She made beautiful wreath or pine cones tied with a place of red cloth from her old dress and added a small handwritten note. Christmas is not what we buy; it's in the love we share and dream we try. When the judge saw her decoration, they were touched by its simplicity and beauty. Emma did not win a trophy, but she won everyone's heart. People from the village started visiting her home, asking to buy her homemade pine cones carved. By the next Christmas, her little home sparkled with joy, warmth, and hope. And every Christmas after that, Emma continue to make Pinecone's decoration not to win prizes but to remind everyone that the magic of Christmas lies in giving, not spending. So, as you plan your Christmas decoration this year, remember Emma's story. Take a walk outside, collect a few pine cones, paint, glue, or tie them into something beautiful. Create with your heart, not your wallet. Let every pine cone you decorate be a symbol of gratitude, creativity, and love, the truly spirit of Christmas. If you enjoy the video, so please must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more amazing video, share the video with your friends and family, and must share your valuable comments. I really very thankful to your support, which is very important for me. Keep supporting my channel and keep watching my channel. If you are new, so please must subscribe my channel and visit my channel. There is lots of amazing project and ideas for you and upcoming Christmas event. You will enjoy and you will learn how to make your home beautiful and warm upcoming Christmas event. So thanks for watching. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you all. Take care. Have a wonderful and amazing holiday season ahead. God bless you. Take care of your family, your kids, and yourself. Thanks for watching.